To be a data scientist as a fresher is a tough nut to crack. So don't worry, I got your back. In this video, I have discussed all the problems a fresher faces in their data science journey and also provided a viable solution for them. So please stay tuned with me. Broadly, there are three ways you can become a data scientist or pursue your career in data science. The first one is when you are in college. Suppose you enrolled in a college, you get a degree, you set for placement, you got placed. Okay, so this is the best and the easiest way, and you don't have to worry. Like what will happen after the college thing will not come in this scenario. But yeah, there is one disadvantage, I will say. If you get placed, maybe that role is not of a data scientist. So what you have to do, you have to prepare by yourself and then switch to next company and show them that the previous work experience you have is of data scientist. So this is the safest approach, and I will suggest every student, please work hard during your college, whether it is tier 1, tier 2 or tier 3. Are you a fresher who is confused from where to start the data science journey? Who is confused what all projects will help him to get a job? Who is confused what all technologies you should follow to get a job? Don't worry, I got your back. So this is my TopMate profile, where I provide services like interview preparation and tips, mock interview, resume review, one-to-one mentorship, career guidance, and a lot of other services. So if you have any confusion, you're not very clear about the data science journey, book an appointment with me, and I'm sure I'm going to provide a solution for the same. So the second approach is you enrolled in any job guarantee or job assistance program from these edtech companies like Simplilearn, Edureka, Scalar, Great Learning, whatever it is. The cost ranges from 50,000 to 5 lakhs. The conversion rate for a fresher from these institute is less than 10%. In testimonial, they will show you like 5-6 people who are freshers and who get a job. Yeah, they get a job, but out of how many freshers they got a job, they will never mention that. Okay, so yeah, this one is a bit risky, and I generally don't suggest any freshers to go by this way, because what happens, you have already invested like 10 lakhs or 15 lakhs in your BTech period. Okay, you are still liable to pay the loan, education loan in most of the cases, and then after enrolling in these courses, costly courses, which can range from 50,000 to 5 lakhs, it's very risky, because again you have to pay EMI for these courses, and most of the time you won't get a job through these courses. I have lots of experienced people complaining they are not able to get a job after completing 5 lakhs or 6 lakhs of worth of courses from these edtechs. So you are fresher, just imagine what your situation can be. The third approach is self-help approach. In this approach, you're not going to enroll in any edtech institutes. Okay, and you can apply this approach at any stage, whether you are in college, whether you have completed degree but didn't get a job, or you are in job. So you can apply this third approach anywhere. First is you have to create a strong data science portfolio. Learn data science. Cloud technologies is must for data science right now. With the upcoming GenAI, huge large models and all, it's very difficult to fine tune it on your local system. You need GPUs and tons of CPUs. So cloud is a must to learn right now. MLOps also, you have to maintain the model lifecycle and all. MLOps is again a must thing for a data scientist to learn. GenAI, keep up with the current GenAI trends. Okay, what all models is coming, what all billion million parameter models are coming, and which model can do which job good and all. And 5, the most important thing is the projects. So create a portfolio, do all kinds of MLDL, GenAI, LLM projects, update in GitHub, and share it on your profile on LinkedIn, Naukri, and everywhere. And use job portals like Naukri, LinkedIn, and and just filter the freshest jobs and apply all the available jobs. Keep on applying, okay? And there are chances that when you have a good profile, you will get call from these companies. So don't worry. So third approach is the, I think even data science veteran like Krishnaik also will tell you like go by this way. They will never tell you to take any costly course and then bang your head because you are not able to convert it. So let's discuss your learning path. First one is data science. Since you're pursuing your career as a data scientist, you should know data science in and out. How your algorithm working, how to do feature engineering and data cleaning, and the basic of DL models, how each model is different from other, when to use which model, and all kind of things. Visualization tools, basic of SQL, basic of data engineering. Second one is cloud. So cloud is the most important thing. You should start learning data science on cloud rather than your local system. With the upcoming trend, the models are growing like hell. We have like 170 billion parameters models. There are some 8 GB, 9 GB, and all. And to fine tune them, I like fine tune a 3 billion model also will require a huge GPU. So for that reason, we cannot use our local system because it has a limited CPU and GPU, and we cannot add it. But when it comes cloud, it's very feasible. It's like you can take any compute as per the required scenario. And cloud has an ecosystem. So from model training, model deployment, and every entire thing you can get over there. So you don't have to worry about anything. You just have to do the logical part. Rest all is taken by the cloud. ML ops again, the deployment part, the model pipeline, model monitoring, and all. You should know. I'm not telling you should be expert in ML ops, but you should know basics of ML ops. This helps you to write a better code also. And GenAI, this is the new trend. You have to know GenAI. And recently we are using Q&A, this Vicuna model, 7 billion parameter for Q&A, and I am amazed to tell you that the on the unstructured data we were not able to extract fields the level Vicuna is able to do it. So our accuracy was around some 63%. Vicuna pushed it to 87%. So I will tell you everybody, please learn GenAI, and for all this thing I will provide the links in my description. You can go through it. After learning data science technologies, ML ops, cloud, and all sorts of things, so start creating projects on GitHub, Kaggle, and Analytics Vidya. So what will happen now? And don't look the solution, please. Just don't look the solution. Don't work on the accuracy and all. Just learn that how it should be like based on your thinking process. Okay, outcome doesn't matter because nobody cares the outcome. The real thing when you're doing Kaggle project or analytics with your project, you should keep in mind that you're creating something by yourself rather than mimicking somebody else's code and all. Don't do that. So once you start with it will be very difficult because for you you are not thinking that way. But as soon as now within 6 months you will be able to develop amazing solutions, and also mention those projects in your GitHub profile also. So once you complete the data science and you created projects on Kaggle and analytics with it, you start looking for a job on portals like LinkedIn and Naukri. Many of you will say that I already have profiles on these portals, but still I'm not getting jobs. What's new? You are saying. So it totally depends on your portfolio. I'm saying this. Just go through any edtech course certification. You won't find cloud over there. Whether it's Simply Learn or Grade Learning, they will teach you basic MLDL. That these things are obsolete, buddy. Okay, we don't want these things. Like since 2-3 years, I'm not working on any ML projects. I don't know why people are still, just teaching you ML and they are ignoring cloud ML ops part. No, as a data scientist, you have to learn all those things. These are the why company will waste money on extra ML ops, then extra cloud engineer, and as a data scientist. Right now, if they can get all these three technology in a single person, they will give you a lot of money also. And you should know these things. It's not very tough. I'm not telling you to be expert. So when you know and when you put these things on your resume with a small projects, I think you will attract a lot of recruiters rather than just putting that ML, DL, NLP, basic ML and DL and NLP.